Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share my travel experiences with you and encourage you to explore more. This week, I want to share with you my first whitewater rafting experience at the Ayung River in Bali. This is the longest river in Bali and it's run about 42 miles long, which is about the same distance from Los Angeles to Orange County. Stay to the end as I will share 3 life lessons I learned from this adventure. For this trip, I booked it online for $20 a person and it's included hotel transfer. First, you have to sign a piece of paper saying that if you die a hero. And once you are ready to face your fear, they gear you up for battle. Then we headed to the river in style.
This is the original rainbow.
By the way, do you see the resemblance or is it just me? And just when we thought we were ready to dive into the river, nope, we had to hike down a long flight of stairs, which is my biggest enemy. It was about 5 minutes of torture, but it was so worth it because the views were impeccable. After a 10-second lecture on how to paddle, off we go. There were 3 stops for pictures during this 90 minutes rafting session because the modern day tourists like us can't just enjoy and capture the moment with our eyes. Our phones need to experience it too. This was my first time whitewater rafting and it was so much fun. This adventure reminded me of 3 life lessons that day. First, life is like a river. You have to put in the work just like you have to paddle to get you to your destination. But don't forget to slow down and enjoy the view sometime. Second, when life gets tough, just like when you're about to hit rocky waters, don't fight against it. Follow the flow and believe that you'll get through it eventually. Third, and this is probably the most important one, guys, I regret not investing in a waterproof camera, so now I can only rely on my memories to recollect the breathtaking views from that day. Oh, did I mention lunch is part of the deal? So another lunch with a view. If you've been following me so far, you know I have the things about lunch and view. Well, that's it, guys. If you like this video, consider subscribing and give us a like. Really appreciate it and see you next week on another adventure. Go explore!